me ducks, welcome back. Different intro, yeah. We're at Jackson's Coppice and Marsh Nature Reserve, which will be the 17th walkabout in this category for the Staffordshire Wildlife Trust walkabout. Trust me, this has taken some finding this place. It's 7.5 miles about southwest of Eccleshall. It's further than I would normally come because it's marked up about 17 mile from home. But we were this way, so I thought I'd do it. It sounds a nice walk. It's bordered over the marshes and then you've got a woods. So yeah, and we're on the 16th of September on a Monday and it's turned out a lovely day. So there we go, just take a quick picture of that. Picture of this. Oh, and I've got company again today. And it looks like, oh, and I've got the gimbal back on. How'd you do, mate? It's alright, I'm just doing a little bit of videoing. You don't have to be on it. Because I do all the walks, the local walks. Okay, mate. Nice now, isn't it? Where's the actual boarded walks? Is it down through here, over the marshes?
Boardwalks down there.
Yeah.
Who you do the walks for?
For myself and the wife and the dog. Wife and dog are down there. But I've got my own YouTube channel, mate. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just it's taken a bit of finding.
Nice walk published in this part.
Sorry?
I've had a nice walk published in this part.
Have you?
It's on the walking route.
Okay.
It's called Coppice and Marsh.
What area is that?
Across the here.
Oh, does it really?
Coppice is the big lake just here.
Oh, okay. They've closed the road, haven't they? So we've had to come. Took a bit of finding. I've come like through Eccleshall.
Which road's closed?
They're coming through from Eccleshall. Don't ask me what the name of the roads are, mate, because we've come over from Stafford. And then we come off Stafford North, Eccleshall Road, through Eccleshall Town, done a left to this area. I've never been up here before, mate, but I've got my own YouTube channel, basically, and this is what I'm, obviously do these for. But yeah.
I'll give you some ideas if you have a look at the...
On what's that called, mate, the website? Yes, I'll definitely have a look at that sometime, mate. I will. In the meantime, I'm going to do my best to have a few frames and shots of this area. And we've got the weather for it today, haven't we? It's going to be a bit damp, isn't it? I'll put my wellies on. All right, mate. Yeah. How far around does this go, mate, if you don't mind? Yeah, is this a loop-a-loop? Do you know what I mean? If we go that way, does it loop on itself back around?
It's only a short circuit.
That's lovely, that'll do us fine, I think. Because we're ready for some dinner, we brought a picnic with us. I'm assuming your wife won't mind you telling that because she normally does. But yeah, so it's not a long walk on the board. Where's the wood? Because it talks about finish the walk off in the wooded area.
Well, that's where we've been. If you go across that field...
So we need to come out here, cross a field and the wood's lower down, yeah?
And go in the diagonal opposite corner. There's a gate, kissing gate. Like
Yeah, it does say mention the kissing gate, yeah.
And just across from there is what's called Jackson's Coppice.
That's the one we're looking for, mate.
We've just been.
Okie doke, thank you very much for the information. Have a good day, mate. Thank you. Oh, that was a worthwhile chat. So yeah, here we are. Kaz? Oh, you're there. Sorry, duck. Isn't this nice? Now this is so much different than anything we've done. I'll just stop this a moment because it's a long video. I like to break these frames down a bit. Right, I'm hoping you can tell the difference here, but I have got the gimbal. Thank goodness I've got it sorted. It was a charger. I was using a poor charger and I wasn't getting enough beef in the bloody thing, in the battery, basically. So it was running out more or less as soon as I kicked it in. So yeah, I've got a full charge on it, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get some decent coverage, gimbal control today. And I'm hoping you can tell the difference. But yeah, this is a boardwalk all around the marsh, and then you've got the coppice lower down. The gentleman's just been telling me through the field as we've just gone through. Some information boards here, and the wife's just waiting on me. Yes, I was saying I've got company again today, the wife and obviously Millie. What a beautiful relaxing atmosphere, Kaz, isn't it? It is really nice. My favourite word there, nice. Delightful. Let's go for another word. Delightful. And wide frame there. Nice little bench here. And the sun's beating down on us now, I'm not kidding, it's got to be 20 plus degrees. What a lovely day for a mid-September. Dragonflies and otters. Just do a little zoom in and you can have a look at that for yourselves. Hope you can, that's not pixelating. Uh-oh, pushing me thingy too much. If I go too far one way, finger in the way there, get that balance. At least I've got control of it back. But yeah, if I push it too far, it just flips around. I've rectified it quick enough anyway. This is really nice, this is, and this boarding they put in, really handy for walking around this obviously. I've put my wallies on. I was expecting, I was feeling the waist. I wonder if I could just walk in that off the board. Let's try it. Having wallies on, I've gone for it. There we go. To the water's edge, eh? Just to prove, I'm sinking. It's really boggy. There's my wallies, or one of them. Let's get on that right on the level of this water. That'll be a nice shot for you. I'll just light that up with the software when I'm editing it. That nice. Better get back on the board. In case I sink. Wife's gone well ahead with Millie. So glad she's come, obviously, because she can, when the fella's walking around. Have you met her?
Oh yes.
The dog? said hello to me.
Said hello to your dog.
Yeah.
There's another new friend.
Yeah. It's bloody lovely round here, mate. I love this ambience and that round here. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
You don't know the area then?
No, not at all, mate. No, I'm from Stoke area.
Sorry?
I've travelled in from Stoke, mate.
Right.
I've come a little bit further, so these...
We're ex-Stokies, but we moved...
Oh, yeah, okay. You do sound like... Yeah.
We moved out here nearly 40 years
Okay.
ago. Yeah.
What part of Stoke did you live in then?
I was brought up in Bursum,
Oh, yeah, north,
and then we lived in Penkle
Okay.
for quite a while.
Right. So you've been this way 40 years, did you say?
Nearly.
Yeah. Well, wise choice, mate, especially when you've got walks like this.
Well, if you don't know the area...
Finally, after chatting to that fella again. Oh man, this is absolutely stunning. Really is. Beautiful. Nice, nice. Yeah, so I hope you're enjoying a better quality, because especially with the stabilisation when I'm walking, it's such an improvement when I play it back when I've used the gimbal. That's what they're for, of course. But it's all about your viewing experience as well, and that's why I go to the trouble of handling the the gimbal. Got Coppice on the brain. Because I don't like using it, to be honest. It's an handful, especially when it starts getting a bit dicky on me. Did I mention it's the 16th of September on a Monday, start of the week? 2024, of course. I did, didn't I? There's a field there, siding on to the marshes. It's a loop-the-loop here, so we should be finding a way back to where we started from. There is a walkway around there, but we're not doing that because we're with the Coppice. There we go. It is absolutely everywhere. There it goes again. Quick photo. Oh, I've got another information board here. There we go. Just want to take my photo, and Snap. Right, I'm hoping you're picking the information up there, but you can put it on pause, of course, but I'm trying to get a square onto them so you can actually read the information about this. Let's walk around here. And it is, like I said, it's really nice. It's a different type of walk, different than anything I've done up to yet. And I can really see why this has obviously been listed on the Staffordshire Wildlife Trust. See the bees? Say it was stunning here. Most of my walks are, but this is something a little bit special for this type of thing. I've never actually done a walk away like this, with particularly how well plotted out it is with the walkway here. Really good. And there we are. There we have it. Back to where we started. Car park just up through the field there. Not a clue where the wife's gone. I'll knock this off a minute anyway. Okay, we can call this part 2, and I'll think the Coppice part 3 of this walkabout. This is the field that's siding onto the boarded out marsh that we've just walked through, which is there to our left side, and the car park being behind us, and the wife and Millie walking on. There's no way I could have controlled this with Millie on the lead, I've got to say. It's such hard work. And this is I find this hard though to do with it. Let's just try this on a different set. There we go. That's going on a different setting. Let's get it back. There we go. 60 panorama where I'm stood in this field. So we've got a little bit of a track there and it gets down to Kissing Gate. The local chap told me. He was walking his dog back through here earlier. And then you go into the wooded area, the coppice itself. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we find a bench pretty soon because it's turning 1 o'clock now. And I'm ready for a bit of nosh. Okay, now we're on the approach to, I believe, the Kissing Gate. What's all that about? We've got to have a kiss at this gate, Duck. Yeah? He's laughing. I mean it, I'm serious. So yeah, we've walked the length of this field. This took us about, what, 3 minutes, hasn't it, Duck? 4 minutes max. That's even taking us time through the nettled area here. And yeah, Kissing Gate's a swing gate. I've heard the terminology before, but I didn't know these were actual kissing gates. Oh yeah, because when you think you know what you're pulling it to, I can get that now.
Let's do this.
Okay, here's the Coppice, I believe, on the left. Oh well, on the right as well, we're surrounded by woodland. But this here is the road we came in on and parked up on further up the road there, behind us. Still a lot of water here though, look. So that class that as a marsh yet. Probably a little bit further on for the actual woodland. And there is a lot of trees around here, so I can see hear something up there. That's either big birds or a squirrel up in the trees there. There's a gate here, look. No. Well, I've got to say, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. This is it. Because that's marsh, and it's all water, it's low land. So this makes sense, this does. Okay. Right. Yeah, she does that regular. Just drop it. This is ever so dark, this is.
It's so dark, it's big thing.
I don't know. No, look, because we're doing the walk in the woods, aren't we? So I don't want to go open field. Yeah, this is what he said. It's steep. There's a climb in the wood. So this is it. So I'm hoping when we get up, shouting again, Alan, when we get up towards the top, the bench will be there. I think he said that. That's what I haven't done again. Hey, have you got your nailer in the bag? Oh. Okay. I think that's where we're going, look. I think. Yeah. It's the only way we can go, I think. Yeah. Whoa! Great God, I'm going to have to cut these frames. This has now been running about 5 minutes, this one video. Okay, so we found a sit-down bench where we can now, hopefully, have a relaxing picnic in a Tesco bag. And there's the bench. Oh, I couldn't think really of nicer surroundings. Right, knock this off. Dinner time. Lunchman's time. Well, my ducks, I kicked off with the hay up ducks, hay up my ducks, so it's a Stoke saying. So yeah, this is it, my ducks, my outro. I've got to say, I'm just showing you now, we've picnicked down there. Make the wife sitting there, make her out sitting there with Millie on the bench somewhere. Where's she gone? Between the two trees there. Yeah, just see her head bobbing up there. So that's where we sat for a picnic. Lovely little spot. As you can see, this fields there neighbouring. And we're not going to walk it because we've done enough. I've been here a good hour. But as you can see, there's a well beaten track through this lovely, gorgeous wooded area. I've got to say, this is probably one of, all round with everything. The only thing, if it was Gorra River, trust me, this would be a #1 for me out of these Nature Wildlife Trust walkabouts I've done, and I've done 17 up to yet. This would be a #1. As you can see, this walk through here continues on for however far, I don't know. I'm not going any further because, as I say, this is my outro. So let's give you a nice, or as best I can, some blue sky and nice green open fields with the sunshine on it. What a day it's turned out, gorgeous. I'm going to say, folks, on my ducks, thanks for looking in. I hope you're enjoying the series of videos I'm doing. Do the likes, all the good stuff if you will for me, if you've enjoyed the video in particular, and share and comment as well. I like get some feedback off you, only constructive stuff, nothing naughty. So yeah, again, thanks for looking in. So until next time, I don't know which one I'm doing next, I've got 3 left, but until next time, be good, take care, stay safe, be healthy. Bye for now.